Hi friends, welcome to today's class. Today's question is, A sells a book at a profit of 5%. If he had bought it at 10% less and sold it for rupees 6 more, he would have gained 20%. Find the cost price of the book. So what's the given question? A is selling a book at a profit of 5%. Is getting a profit of 5% on selling the book. Suppose that he is buying the book at 10% less. Okay, he is buying the book at 10% less. So cost price is 10% less. And he is selling it for rupees 6 more. Then he would have gained 20% profit. So A's present gain is 5%. But A could have gained 20% if he had brought the books 10% less and sold the books at rupees 6 more. Then we have to find out what is the cost price. So that's a given question. So how to proceed with this kind of problem? So let selling price be represented as SP and cost price be represented as CP. Now A is selling the book at 5% profit. So how we can write the formula? Selling price is equal to 100 plus 5 by 100 into cost price. Selling price is equal to 100 plus X by 100 into cost price. That is a general formula. SP is equal to 100 plus X by 100 into cost price. So here we will be getting SP is equal to 105 by 100 into CP. Now second case, what is happening? If CP is 10% less, that means the CP will be 90% of CP. New CP is 90% of CP and SP is rupees 6 more. So SP will be SP plus 6, and what is the gain? Gain is 20%. So it will be 120 by 100. 100 plus X by 100. So it will be 120 by 100 into 90% of CP. He is buying the book at 10% less. That means 90% of cost price only he is buying the book, and he is selling at a profit of 20%. So we will be having 120 by 100 into 90 by 100 cost price. So what we have to find out here? Here we have to find out the cost price. Suppose selling price was asked, means we can divide this 1 by 2, then cost price will be eliminated and we can easily find out the selling price. But here the question is to find out the cost price of the book. So we can do 2 minus 1. We are subtracting 2 minus 1, second equation minus first equation, we will be getting SP plus 6 minus SP. So we will be getting 6. So we can easily eliminate the selling price. So depending on what we have to find out. If it is selling price, means we have to subtract 1 from 2. And if it is to determine the cost price, means we have to divide 1 by 2. Okay. So 6 is equal to, then here we are taking cost price as common. So we will be getting 120 by 100 into 90 by 100 minus 105 by 100 into cost price. Now just simplify this. So here we will be getting 6 by 5 and here we will be getting 9 by 10 and here we will be getting 21 by 20. So taking 100 as the LCM, we will be getting 6 is equal to by 100. 9 into 6 is 54. 54 into 2 is 108 and 21 into 5 is 105 into cost price. So 6 is equal to 3 by 100 into cost price, or cost price is equal to rupees 200. Now let's go to example number 2. Ram sells an article at a loss of 5%. If he had bought it at 20% more and sold it for rupees 115 less, he would have incurred a loss of 40%. Find the cost price of the article. So Ram is selling the article at a loss of 5%. So he is having a loss of 5%. And suppose that he is buying it at 20% more. Okay. So he is buying, cost price is 20% more and he is selling at rupees 115 less. Then he would have incurred a loss of 40%. His 5% loss would have increased to 40% under this condition. Then we have to find out the cost price of the article. So same way, so first let SP represent the selling price and CP represent the cost price. So Ram is selling the article at a loss of 5%. So how the formula will come? We know that SP is equal to 100 plus X by 100 into cost price. If it is a loss, this X will be equal to a negative number. So here we will be having SP is equal to 100 minus 5 by 100 into CP. So it will be 95 by 100 into cost price. Now what about second formula? Second formula, he is selling at rupees 115 less. So it will be SP minus 115 is equal to, he is incurring a loss of 40%. So it will be 100 minus 40 by 100, which will be equal to 60 by 100. So 60 by 100 into, he is buying it at 20% more. So now the cost price is CP. When he is buying it at 20% more, it will be equal to 120% of CP. So that is the second formula. We have to find out the cost price. So what we have to do? We have to do 2 minus 1. The first equation minus second equation will be giving us SP minus 115 minus SP. So minus 115 is equal to, taking CP as common, 60 by 100 into 120 by 100 minus 95 by 100 into cost price. So trying to simplify this, here we will be getting 3 and 5 and here we will be getting 6 and 5. Here we will be having 19 and 20. Taking 100 as LCM, 72 minus 95. 19 5s are 95 and 6 into 3 18. 18 4s are 72. So minus 115 is equal to 72 minus 95 into cost price. So we will be getting minus 115 is equal to minus 23 by 100 into cost price. So our final answer will be cost price is equal to rupees 500. Now example number 3. A man sold an article at a profit of 25%. If he had bought it at 10% more and sold it for rupees 56 more, his profit would have been 20%. Find the cost price. So same kind of question. A man is selling the article at a profit of 25% and if he had bought it at 10% more, so he is buying it at 10% more. So 10% more cost price and he is selling it at rupees 56 more. Rupees 56 more he is selling at, then his profit would have changed to 20%. Then what is the cost price? So let's write the formula. First case, it is 25% profit. So SP represent the selling price and CP represent the cost price. So we will be having SP is equal to 125 by 100 into CP. That is our formula number 1. Then what about second formula? He is selling at rupees 56 more. So SP plus 56 is equal to, he is getting a profit percentage of 20. So it will be 120 by 100 into, he is buying it at 10% more. So it will be 110% of CP. So that's our second formula and we have to find out the cost price. So in order to determine the cost price, we have to subtract first equation from the second equation. So 2 minus 1 we will be getting 56 is equal to, just taking the cost price as common, 120 by 100 into 110 by 100 minus 125 by 100. Cost price is common. So let's try to simplify. Here we will be getting 6 and 5. Here we will be getting 11 and 10. And here we will be having 5 and 4. So 50 and 4 will come. So again we can take 100 as the LCM. So 11 into 6, 66. 66 into 2 is equal to 132 minus 25 into 5 is equal to 125 cost price. So 56 is equal to 8 by 100 into cost price. So our final answer is 7 by 100 into cost price. So final answer will be rupees 800. So our cost price is rupees 800. Thank you for watching.